The Wanjiku will not accept this thing called BBI. Let me tell Kenyan workers, you have nothing in BBI. SRC has been given more powers. SRC will now determine salaries for public servants and set them. The role of trade unions is now completely curtailed if this useless document goes through. Teachers, you have nothing. All workers in this country, we must come, ask for the disbandment of SRC, or actually making SRC a body that discusses and negotiates on behalf of government with the trade unions. So the building bridges too had already informed decisions. They have made those decisions. They are not listening to Kenyans. Wananchi walisema health irudi national, na sisi tukasema we don't want health to go back to the Ministry of Health because we were not better in the Ministry of Health. That's why we wanted an independent commission, a constitutional commission. And therefore, issue number one, we will be in the middle of the current conversation. Number two, we are contemplating going to court to stop the second phase of BBI if the initial recommendation in the BBI 1 that we have a constitutional commission is not included. Because we don't know how it changed. I will tell you something. You know, the constitution of Kenya, people change even in the government printer. The current constitutional, the place where you were supposed to remove a member of parliament by a recall, they went to government printer, paid some fellows in the government printer, and it was removed. So you can't recall your member of parliament. And that is what has happened to the BBI initiative. Kenyans made recommendation for Health Service Commission as a constitutional body, but some fellows went through and corrupted people who are writing the report. Maybe even the task force may not be aware that it has been doctored. Therefore, we reject this BBI report unless it addresses issues affecting common mwananchi and the Kenyan workers. Kwa havyo, niko sawa kusema hii kitu hatutaki. We either have it or we don't have it. We either have a constitutional commission or we don't have it. Yes. We either have a constitutional commission or we don't have it. Yes. The journey has begun. We will not sleep. Kama wanataka tuende mgomo, ndio waweke hiyo kitu ndani, tutaenda mgomo. Yes. Tutakwamisha shughuli zote za afya hapa Kenya. Kama hiyo ndio itafanya hawa wakora watusikie. Thank you.